Hello everyone. In this short video, we will show you the Risk Profile tab, which is about risk prediction. Let's click on Risk Profile. This tab shows a company risk overview based on the availability or absence of critical documents in the technical file. In this tab, we see that there are many columns. These columns are ordered according to the requirement's risk classification. We see different colours, providing us with a visualization of the document's completeness. For example, in Category A, we see green, indicating that the corresponding requirement is 100% fulfilled by uploaded documents. Red indicates that these requirements are unfulfilled. Yellow indicates that the requirements are set to not applicable. Blue means that the documents for the following requirements are still being collected. Thank you.